The top 10 most expensive motorcycles in the world. Guys are crazy for motorcycles and heavy bikes. Well, keeping this in mind, some of the most luxurious companies in the world have manufactured bikes, whose looks are enough to make people always wonder how they were created. These wheels are sure to be a symbol of your personality and a part of your identity. These bikes are expensive due to their structure, design, speed, and outlook. They've been designed by always keeping in view the luxury and the thrill that a driver has in mind. Obviously, these bikes are not for commoners. They are only for millionaires and billionaires. Here is a list of the top 10 most expensive bikes in the world. The Icon Sheen at $172,000. The Icon Sheen motorcycle is developed by one of the most charismatic motorcycling figures, Barry Sheene. His designs are reflected in all aspects of the Icon Sheen. The world's first ultra bike has been added to the most expensive motorcycles in the world, costing $172,000. It has a Suzuki 1400cc engine with a Motec Formula One wiring system with data logging and mapping adjustments. The Icon Sheen is considered a complex piece of engineering, having achieved 250 bhps and 133 pounds per foot of torque, making it amongst the most powerful bikes in the world. MTT Turbine Street Fighter at $175,000. Known as the Y2K Turbine Superbike, it is a wheel-driven motorcycle equipped with a turboshaft engine. It is powered by a Rolls-Royce Allison Model 250 gas turbine engine producing 320 SHPs at 52,000 RPMs. The fastest bike in the world stands among the most expensive bikes in the world. With a price tag of $175,000 at its launch, it is an exceptional addition headed by a custom builder and former bike racer named Christian Travert. Suzuki AEM Carbon Fiber Hayabusa at $200,000. The AEM Carbon Fiber Hayabusa is a special bike formed by Suzuki in collaboration with AEM. It was revealed in Las Vegas at the annual SEMA convention in 2008. An extremely light frame allows its engine to rev the bike up to 186 miles per hour with Wolfsner forged 9.51 turbo pistons and rods, adjustable cam sprockets, and HD valve springs. A cosmetic MLS head gasket makes it one of the most costly and exclusive models made, and it is listed as one of the most expensive bikes in the world at $200,000. Ducati Testa Stretta NCR Macchia Nera Concept at $225,000. The Ducati Testa Stretta Macchia Nera is equipped with titanium parts from its Trellis Ducati engine with a unique full race exhaust system. The bike is powered by a full race Ducati Testa Stretta engine rated at 180 horsepower, while its components were reassembled from earlier models. The bike is also among the most expensive collection of bikes in the world, with a price tag of $225,000. It is built by the famed Italian designer Aldo Drudi, who has made it a brand new, aggressive design. Ducati Desmosa DC D16RR NCR M16 at $232,500. NCR's new Malona 16 features selected trick parts that turns it into an exotic Ducati Desmosa DC D16RR. It is wildly luxurious, lightweight, and one of the most expensive bikes in the world at $232,500. The bike has a D16RR power plant that produces over 200 rear horsepower, ceramic matrix composite BrakeTech brakes, a 2-in-1 x2 titanium NCR exhaust, and Öhlins FGR 000 43mm with adjustable offset. At only 319 pounds, the Ducati Desmosa DC D16RR NCR M16 has been considered an exact replica of a MotoGP racing bike. Icase Titanium Series FETI XX at $300,000. Icase Titanium Series FETI XX is a new exclusive model from the firm, having a 2.41 billet aluminum power plant capable of producing 225 horsepower with grade 9 titanium pipes, having a ceramic hydraulic clutch and a shot peen finish. At a cost of $300,000, the Icase Titanium Series FETI XX is one of the most expensive bikes in the world and one of the fastest bikes in the world, and a successor of the Icase Titanium Series RR with some extraordinary modifications. Yamaha Roadster BMS Chopper at $500,000. This gold-plated custom chopper has a 1700cc engine launched by Nimacy, a new frame with no front-down tubes, and utilizes the V-twin. An amazing 360mm rear tire from V-Rubber, edged by an LED taillight brake light array incorporated into the rear fender edges, is sectioned into two main parts, one for electronics and the other for petrol. The Yamaha Roadster BMS is one of the most powerful and fastest bikes in the world, and also one of the most expensive, with a price tag of $500,000. Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike at $555,000. This Viper V10 base motorcycle, the Dodge Tomahawk, has a 500 horsepower engine having four wheels just like a car with an awesome sound. Having speeds of 60 miles per hour and top speed of 400 miles per hour, the Tomahawk has two wheels with independent suspension to handle the power of the engine. Priced up to $555,000, it is another one of the most expensive models ever, equipped with 20-inch perimeter-mounted drilled, machined stainless steel rotors of custom-designed blue anodized caliper finish. Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship at $1 million. Harley-Davidson sells a lifestyle, and its lineup of heavy-duty cruisers sets the standard for some of motorcycling's elegant status symbols. Harley-Davidson is at the top of the most expensive bikes in the world with a price tag of $1 million. Each is powerful and truly unique among all other models. This matchless motorcycle is based on the Harley-Davidson FX STB Softail Night Train, while the timepiece is mounted in a handcrafted setting which uses a machined section of aluminum. Icase ES1 Superbike at $3,600,000. This is the most expensive bike in the world, with a price tag of $3,600,000. It is equipped with a V4 4-stroke engine having 200 horsepower that produces 189.84 NMs and has a top speed of 370.1 kilometers per hour. The frameless design with carbon fiber front and rear suspension torsion bar springs and F1 spec dampers is absolutely the most top-rated, fastest, and most outstanding addition among the Icase range of bikes on the market, and considered the best one of its predecessors. Subscribe with us for more.